Direct mail is one of the most effective forms of targeted marketing, and we have taken it to the next level. Not only does our solution track the channel's effectiveness, but will achieve a 23 to 46% better direct mail response rate for pennies per piece with our omni-channel marketing solution. We accomplish this through a patent-pending timed and integrated deployment of up to 11 different tracking and digital marketing technologies. From predicting and confirming mail piece delivery, reporting on individual phone and text responses, to monitoring the impressions and clicks on multiple social and digital advertising platforms. We turn that one mail piece into 8 to 16 impressions, driving up the engagement and ultimately conversions. Additionally, through our lead match service, we supply you with the physical addresses of your anonymous website visitors and what pages they visited, enabling you to follow up with a hyper-targeted mail campaign. We will also show you website visitors who match back to your mailing list, so you can identify the prospects closest to converting and follow up to close. This one-of-a-kind solution enables you to track, enhance, and effectively attribute the results of your direct mail campaigns all in one easy-to-use platform designed for your success at one of the most cost-effective price points on the market. This is not only the future of direct mail, it's effective marketing and the best way to ensure the best possible result. Interested in learning more? Ask for a full demonstration today.